So today we're going to go through how to register for eCCRIS. First, of course, go to Google. What you can do is to type eCCRIS. The search bar, you can put eCCRIS BNM or not, it's up to you. So then you can see here, right? This one is the first one on the link is the eCCRIS that you want. Click the link. If you have not registered, of course we are not registered, so you go for register now here. And this is for those who have registered, okay? So you follow my cursor here. So we are going to click non-registered user, those who don't have. Click register now. You see 1 ringgit will be transferred from your internet banking account for identity verification. Meaning you have to transfer this 1 ringgit to the account that is given by the bank negara. So just for verification. And this 1 ringgit will be automatically funded within 2 working days. So just tick here, go. So make sure all this is correct. Make sure all this, and of course you slide to verify. Okay. When you submit, once you submit, you will receive an OTP. Okay, OTP. I've already registered, so I can't show you the next one. But what I can show you is this instruction given by BNM. So this is a guide given by BNM. You can download this on the site. So we went through the second step. Okay, so you must enter all your full name, everything. You must make sure it's correct. And then you have the digital authentication. Remember the 1 ringgit, you need to complete this 1 ringgit transfer to an account designated by bank negara. Okay. And once you do that, you will get a prompted screen. Then you go and click to proceed to first time login at the screen. Okay. Or click first time login. You go to the website, bank negara website, eCCRIS website, and do the first time login. And then you key in your IC number, your 6-digit OTP, and this OTP is only valid for 7 days. So make sure you log in before it expires. Set your user ID password, your personal image, your personal security image, phrase, questions, and answer. All this, make sure you remember. If you can't remember, you put it somewhere you can remember, okay? Use that. Next one is to log into eCCRIS using your created user ID to access your CCRIS report. Okay, so beginning 18th of February 2022, there's a good news. They enhanced the system. Last time when I first registered, right, I have to register online and then go to any bank negara branch or any AKPK branch nearest to me to get the OTP. But right now, everything you can do online. This is only applicable for individual registration. That means you must be a citizen of Malaysia holding a MyKad. Citizen of Malaysia holding a MyKad, then you can do this. It's not open for businesses, it's not open for foreigners, okay, or PR holders. No. So this is how you do it. It's self-explanatory and it's only 8 steps. I highly recommend that you do it because you can access your CCRIS anytime. And it's free. So before you apply for loans, you can actually access. So let's look at the CCRIS and how to read the report. So this is how the exemplary notes for a CCRIS report actually looks like. You can actually download this from BNM website. So I'm going to just go through the CCRIS report, what you need to know, and all the things there, how to read it especially. So first start, and you can see the CCRIS report, it has the bank account logo, of course, and your date, the date when you download the CCRIS report is very important. Next one you have is, of course, borrower name, ID number, and also your date of birth. Okay, so the first column is how many facilities you have. With facilities sequence number and then approve. When is it approval? Outstanding credit. Where is it approved? You can see this one is let me just zoom in. So okay, zoom in already. You see this is the approval date, right? So this is when your facility, whatever you apply, your credit facility gets approved. Actually, this the application date is here, approval date. That once the application date is approved, it will go up here. Okay, so C is the status outstanding, reschedule, reschedule. This one is reschedule, where the bank actually will extend the tenure of repayment. This one will adversely affect your CCRIS. Adversely means the banks will auto reject. When you see this, auto reject. Outstanding here means no pay finish. Of course, you talk about credits that you can use over and over again when you use every month, like credit card, alright, it's always have outstanding. Or your housing loan, your car loan, this one have the outstanding here. Capacity own. Own here means one name. If you have joint name for the loan, you will see joint. How many names inside there you put? Also they put joint. Okay. Lender here is which bank. You can see which bank. And whether it's a foreign bank or a local bank, they'll put here. But when the bank actually pull your CCRIS, they cannot see this. They cannot see who's the lender. They can only see the local or foreign. Local or foreign bank. This branch also you cannot see. You can see just the code, but we don't know which branch one. Next one is what facility. Okay. See this what facility, credit card, then your credit card number. Your account number is always your credit card number. If it's higher purchase, then higher purchase number. Total outstanding. Date balance is updated. Okay, date balance is updated when the bank actually reports to CCRIS, and CCRIS will keep refreshing every 15th of the month. Okay, middle of the month you refresh. But when bank report to CCRIS is another story. You can check here. And what's the limit outstanding amount? Because if it's credit card, then 3,000 here. This is the limit, 5,000, the credit limit. Then if it's higher purchase, this is the higher purchase balance. Okay. Collateral type, this one is a very important code. 00 means there's no collateral, clean loan. 30 is vehicle. See, you can see here. You see the notes here. This one T here. Branch name ABB Bank. Then this one is AB Bank. This one is the branch here. The code, the branch is at where. Okay, it means the loan is parked at where. Collateral type 00 is clean. 30 is motor vehicle. 10, you see code 10 is property. 10 is property. Principal repayment term, monthly, and then if you have an overdraft, you will see something on demand. Okay, this is the one the bank will actually see. This one very famous one. Everybody will be asking. See, very easy to read. It's always from the right side, okay, to the left. The oldest one is on the right side. Then you go on the way to the left is the newer one. And the record stands for the 12 months. For the bank's 12 months. You can see only 12 months. So you can see here 0. This is the only time you're allowed to get 0, not in your exams, okay? 0 means they pay on time. Okay, a lot of people actually confuse this part. When you pay on time, it doesn't mean you pay in full. Okay, I give you an example. Your credit card, let's just say you only pay a minimum payment of 5%. Let's just say the outstanding balance is 1,000 and you make payment of 50 ringgit, which is 5%. So the CCRIS will mark it as 0. That means you pay on time. Okay. However, if it's a housing loan, your installment is 1,000, but you pay only 900. They will mark it as 1 because you miss. They consider it as you miss payment, even though you have paid on time, but you have made a partial payment, you still consider you have missed. Okay, so it's marked here as 1. So what it means here is that 0 means you pay on time. This 1 here means you have 1 month you miss payment. 2 months, 3 months. Okay, 3 and 3 months. Then 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months. So the banks will look at the past 12 months, okay, to see your record. Actually, most of the time, not most of the time, all the time, actually, is run by the system in the bank. The banks all have their own proprietary scoring system that will pull your CCRIS and then calculate the score. Then they'll tell you score pass or score fail. Okay. This part here, remember just now the facility, they got rescheduled credit facility. So rescheduled credit facility means you cannot pay, right? So you tell the bank, can I actually extend the tenure and lower my installment? So the bank say okay. Then they will tag the CCRIS here as R. They'll tag this one status here. O. Okay. When the banker actually pull your CCRIS, will see outstanding as O, and the reschedule as R. Automatic reject. Even though you've been paying nicely. Automatic reject. Then the legal status here will put, is it the thing is under auction or is it under summon? Which one there is the stage of the collection. Okay, of course this one is for collateral lah. No collateral straight away they sue you. There's nothing to auction, nothing to collect back, so they will just sue you. Date or status updated. When is this updated? This status is either auction or summons. Then if you have like things like this car, right? So you have a car there. When it's on, if it's on auction, they will put it on auction, okay, to recover back the outstanding balance. And then, if the outstanding balance is not enough to cover back the principal, the bank will sue you if you don't pay, okay? But the status still remains. So let's go back to the first part here. Let me just move this up, okay? Can you see this special attention account? Special attention account, how you get into this, it simply means the debt cannot collect. It's bad debt, alright? Just put it here. Most of the time I see is credit card. Anything other than credit card, like car, house, personal loan, this one is all very, this one you can say no hope to get loan unless you settle this, okay? Unless you settle this, you got no hope to get loan. So this one they talk about is credit card. Usually what happens is that I've seen cases where it's annual fee. You don't pay your annual fee, then the bank actually try to collect, didn't collect, but you're still paying your monthly charges, like normal, you're still paying, but annual fee didn't pay. So the bank will put this in special attention account. You go get any loan, you auto reject one, and then you need to pull your CCRIS. This is where you need to register your CCRIS, right? Pull your CCRIS and then see what is the special attention all about, okay? Account all about, and settle it. Which bank? Only you can see, or bankers, the banks cannot see, remember? So when is the date, which bank, and the account number, okay? This part here, this number 4 is application for credit. Application for credit will pop up here for all credit application, including your credit card, personal loan, hire purchase, mortgage. You will see this credit application. Let's just say you apply 10 credit cards, then you will see 10 applications for credit here, for which bank and for what, and what's the result. If it's pending, then it's pending. If it's approved, you will change, okay? P. Status here is P. It's approved, it become T. T, and then accepted is A. You'll be asking, rejected how? Rejected, they won't show rejected here. They will just put pending here, okay? Pending. You know why the banks don't want to, it's best not to show that it's rejected, okay? Imagine this, today, let's just say you apply for housing loan, 3 banks, okay? And then the banks actually, all the 3 banks, you submit the application, the bank will see A, B, C, right? Suddenly, the credit officer see the CCRIS, right? At point of application, suddenly bank C already reject. What do you think the credit officer will do to your application? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, bankers such as me, we take your applications, but we don't approve it. It's still HQ approval and still centralized. And it's still done by a human, okay? Of course, the first start process, a lot of things can be done by robots and AI, but the final word is still a human, okay? And humans, they can get affected by all this. They are emotional. We are all emotional creatures. So imagine the credit officer from bank A, then C, bank C already reject. What would think they will do? They can't do anything, actually. They can just reject without giving you any reason. And you need to remember, banks can actually reject your application without giving you any reason, okay? They have the right to do that, the banks. For anything that you apply, they have the right to reject you without giving you a reason. So that's what happens. So that's why when you see rejected, right, you don't see it in CCRIS. You only see pending, approved, and also accepted. The one that you see, the scoring, the symbol that you see is P, T, and A. Of course, as a banker, you will see P, T, and A, but you download your own CCRIS, you will see your CCRIS here, okay? This is part here, you can see. So actually, there's nothing much to see in the CCRIS actually. Whenever, before you actually apply for any loans, especially housing loan, I will highly encourage you to actually download your eCCRIS Because when you download, right, it's protected in PDF. So you download the eCCRIS, the latest one, and then you pass to your banker or your broker, whoever it is, okay? Easier for them to go through. Easier for them to tell you whether this case can actually pass or not, that's all. So these are the explanatory notes accompanying this example, okay? You can actually download this, the whole notes, also on Bank Negara website. It's all provided there. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen, for today. The CCRIS explanation and how to register. I highly recommend you to actually go and register, okay? So this is Kenny here for Property Stories. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay, for more content such as this. And if you've got any more questions, I appreciate if you ask it in the comments down below. Don't forget, we do have our services as well. And if you have need to apply loan or need our help with our loan services, let us know. So that's all. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.